Okay, hello. Today we are going to go over homework 2. So homework 2 is the goal of homework 2 is to replicate table 2.2.1 and table 2.2.2 from the textbook. So the the, the tables are about the Tennessee STAR project, which studies the effect of class size on kindergarten children. So you may remember what we did here. So children in Tennessee are randomly assigned to three different groups: small class size, regular class size, and regular class size with additional teacher. And we compared if the randomization was actually a randomization, and then we then also compared the test scores across three groups. And then we used the regression analysis to accommodate additional variables other than class size and test score. So we are going to replicate this data, these tables. By the way, these results are originally from this paper, Alan Kruger from 1999. So Alan Kruger was a professor at Princeton University, but he's one of the maybe if he's still alive, then he must have received a Nobel Prize last year, together with like Guido Imbens and Joshua Angrist and David Card. So he's that promising and great economist. But a few years ago, he killed himself. Everyone was shocked. I don't know why. I never met him. I just read his papers. I learned a lot from his papers. So anyhow, it is one of the best papers showing how to estimate the effect of class size, maybe using a rigorous causal inference method. Anyhow, we are going to do this. And always the first step is to download the data. So first, I just wanted to show you the original data source. You have to search for Tennessee STAR project. If you simply search STAR project, then there are a lot of different things showing up. So use Tennessee STAR project, and if you're interested, you may read those summaries and descriptions about this project. And the data can be downloaded from here. This is a data source maintained by Harvard. Actually, this is not where you are going to download the data. I just wanted to tell you, I have to tell you the original source of the data, and this is the source. And have descriptions and data, but the data updated here are in SPSS program format. So that is different from Stata, the program we are using. So I am going to show you another way to download the data, which is from Joshua Angrist's webpage. So Joshua Angrist is the author of this book. So search for him, and he received a Nobel Prize last year. And if you go to his webpage, then go to this menu, data and programs. He collects the data he used on his webpage, or you may go here, or no matter where you go. I clicked mostly harmless econometrics option, and it's not here, excuse me. So go to data and programs, and then he maintains mostly harmless econometrics data archive. So the textbook data archive, come here. And Kruger, 1999. This is the data we are going to use. Click this. So there are two files. This link does not work. I think this link is dead. we have to download these two. So download. The second one is the data file. I already downloaded it, so I'm not going to do it. So the first one, Kruger.do, is a do file. If you click this, it will show you. You can download that. That does not matter. But anyhow, you have to download the webstar.dta. This is the data file you have to download. So I download the data file here. I also downloaded Kruger.do, but the Kruger.do is outdated, so it does not work. It does not run on my Stata. I use Stata 15, so and this was from 1999. So the command, the program should have been updated, but it wasn't. And so I posted another do file, which is an updated and like an essential version of Kruger.do. So I extracted what you need from this program and updated that part for you for this homework. And then from here, let's first change the working directory as usual. My working directory is C drive homework. So that's my working directory. And open. You may just have a look. Let's have a look. Kruger. This is Kruger 1999 program. So as you can see, version is 9, Stata 9. But now I'm using Stata 15, and maybe there may be more updated version for Stata. But anyhow, if you run this, it does not work. If you run this, some command is not recognized. So maybe this command is obsolete now for some reason. I don't know why. So I had to fix that. And if you want, you may read it. It's longer. But it involves many difficult commands. So you just need to open the do file that I uploaded with the homework, and this is the updated version. And if you run this, it will calculate the percentile score. So in the original data file, this is the original data file. There are a lot of variables, which I'm going to explain in the next video. There are a lot of variables, but the test scores are not standardized. So the do file is to standardize the test score. It will it calculates standardization, and then as a result, you will see a few more files. It's just log file and temporary files, so do not mind. Does not do any harm. And the updated updated file has new variable p-score, percentile score, and CS, class size. So these two variables are newly generated from the code I uploaded with the homework. So now so I did all the data cleaning step for you. I defined the variables you need. So I recommend you to save the data. You may just click save, but I would save as homework 2. I will just save as because I may need to use the original data file. So just to be safe, I save the new data set as homework2.dta. This data set will include the newly generated variables too. So from here, this is what I do up to this here, step 1 and step 2. What I did is just to implement these two steps, right? And in the next video, I'm going to explain the the variables, what variables we have, and then we will do a little more redefinition, cleaning the data. Okay? And then see you in the next video.